Hello everyone. Let us read the question. The monohybrid genotypic ratio 1 is to 2 is to 1 in F2 generation indicates segregation, independent assortment, dominance and incomplete dominance. Question is from Mendel's different law. As we know that Mendel has given three law of dominance, law of segregation and law of independent assortment. So we have been asked that which Mendel law is indicating this ratio of Mendel cross. So of monohybrid cross. So let us make draw first the monohybrid cross to understand the question. As we know, what Mendel has done, he had crossed pure plants at first. So this is our pure plant where both the alleles are similar to each other. That is, this is homozygous. Both are homozygous plant. Here both the alleles are tall in nature and here both the alleles are dwarf in nature. So what happened in the next generation? Whatever allele will come from the parent, it will only capital T because both the alleles are similar. Here also we will get only small t. So if we'll do the mating, we'll cross it. What will we get? We will get capital T small t. Now what the plant is in the F1 generation, this is heterozygous in nature, capital T small t. But we have been asked this ratio in F2 generation. So to get the F2 generation, we have to do selfing of it. So let us do it. If we are crossing here capital T small t with capital T small t, that is we are doing the selfing of the F1 generation. What will we get in the F2 generation? Unlike the uh, F1 generation previous part, we will get here two different types of alleles, capital T small t, because in this plants were pure plant homozygous, but here we have heterozygous plant, so we will get two different types of allele. Here again we will get two different types of allele, capital T small t. So in the F2 generation, what will we get? At first this T will cross with both of this T one by one, capital T capital T. So this T can mate with this T, this capital T can mate with this small t also. So if this crossing is happening, what will we get? Capital T small t. Here again through this cross we will get capital T small t, and at the end we will get small t small t. So this is our F2 generation. So in the F2 generation, basically what we are getting, capital T, capital T, capital T small t, capital T small t and small t, sorry, and we are getting small t and small t. So genotypically if we want to see it, we are getting this. Genotypically this is different. So this is 1, here this is only capital T and these two are different, capital T and small t. So this is 2 and this is genotype is different, that is small t small t. So we are getting the ratio of 1 is to 2 is to 1 in monohybrid cross in the F2 generation. So this ratio is the result of what? Here we have gotten the segregation of the gene alleles. We can see from this heterozygous plant, these genes are getting segregated, and because of that we are getting this result. So the answer will be segregation. Thank you.